I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and see how many of these Lantana bonus propagations I can propagate out of this stack. I cut this Lantana earlier. I'm trying to make a topiary out of a Lantana. So basically a Lantana tree. So I snipped the Lantana all the way down and I've got it going. And what I snipped out, I was like, well, I love Lantana. I have the greenhouse. I do have some rooting hormone. So I'm gonna take 1, 2, 3, it's got 4. And I feel like the ones that have 4, you want the new growth. So I'm gonna strip this Lantana down, this stalk. So I'm just gonna I just cut a 45 degree. I'm using this Bontone 2 rooting powder that you can get pretty much anywhere. My understanding is it's plant hormone. So I put some in this bowl. You know, I'm trying to coat it. I've got these kind of pre-moistened because you don't want to add water after. So what I did is I've got a little pin and I'm gonna actually make the hole for the Lantana stem. So I put the Lantana stem and the rooting hormone and I'm just gonna set it in there, and that's 1. Now, am I gonna be lucky enough to get 9 Lantanas out of this? $5.43, by the way. So this is technically an offshoot part 2 video of this one. So again, I don't know, maybe, probably, you could actually make 3 Lantanas out of this because it's 1 stem. I am just looking, I was going off of what I've seen before where it's like, oh, you need so many nodes. So like this one has enough nodes, but I'd probably like, so this one's 1, but I'm probably gonna just trim it. And then I guess on this bottom node, so there's 2 here and not 3. So I'd guess like a 45. And again, like I'm just guessing. I don't have time to read up on propagation today. I did this with the elderberry. I did use hormone on some of them, but with the elderberry, I just was like, I don't have time. I think I can propagate this, and I just tried it. And so a lot of times you get in your own way. I know I do, where I just kind of get in my own way and I'm like, you know what? I don't know. So let me try it. What's the worst that can happen? I spent this time, obviously taping the video, but I spent this time actually trying to propagate this stuff. So what? That was like 20 minutes. If it works, I've got free plants. If it doesn't work, I learned something new. So win-win, but please don't take this as like I'm an expert and I will 100% share if they failed or if they did not. I'm hoping they do not. And everything I've been learning is with or without the rooting hormone, and when given the right humidity conditions, which is what I'm gonna do, I'm probably gonna put a humidity dome on top of them at the end. I think that's what my plan is. So I'm gonna go ahead and do these, finish these off, and here we go.